Hello everyone, welcome to NSmart classes. So today we are going to learn a very interesting topic and a very important one also for your NEET examination, right? So that topic is chromosome, as you can see here. So that topic we are first going to learn in class 11th in the cell chapter, but you should also know, as like in class 12th also, this topic will be very much important for all the chapters which are related to genetics, right? That is very much important. So let's start. So first we'll see the structure of the chromosome, okay, and along with the structure we will get to know कि कौन सा parts उसमें involved हैं and what are the different types of chromosomes and how we are classifying them, right? So let's start with the structure of the chromosome. So as you can see, a structure is given here and I am going to make another structure here, right? So you tell me like this one. So definitely ये जो structure यहाँ पे मैंने बनाया और ये जो structure बच्चों यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, they are not the same, right? They are not the same. So what is the difference between this one and this one? So in very simple terms, children, the chromosome which I have drawn, this is a unduplicated chromosome, okay? And this one which is already given here, this is basically a duplicated chromosome, okay? Duplicated chromosome. So this is the basic difference. Now how will we know that this is unduplicated and this is duplicated? By looking at the structures, of course we can see that. Apart from that, एक unduplicated chromosome में आप देखिए ये जो part है ये single है, यहाँ पे देखिए दो है. So what are these? What are these? This one which is given here, this is a chromatid, okay? So basically ये जो यहाँ पे है, this is the chromatid, okay? This is the chromatid. Now बीच में देखिए एक यहाँ पे कुछ part है. What is that part, children? That part is the primary constriction, okay? Primary constriction, which is known as the centromere, which is known as the centromere. Here, this is the primary constriction, right? This is the centromeric region, as you can see here. But chromatid जैसे यहाँ पे कितना present है? Chromatid जो है, this is a single chromatid is present, right? Here the chromatids, as you can see, this is the duplicated version. तो हम लोग क्या consider करेंगे? यहाँ पे कितने chromatids present हैं? यहाँ पे there is the presence of two chromatids, okay? Two chromatids in the duplicated chromosome. But एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज, इसको तो एक क्रोमोसोम हम बोलेंगे ही, इसको क्या दो क्रोमोसोम बोलेंगे? नो, इसको हम लोग एक ही क्रोमोसोम बोलेंगे, बिकॉज आफ्टर द डुप्लीकेशन, दैट इज आफ्टर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ another chromatid, still both the chromatids remain attached to this centromere. To this centromere only दोनों attached रहते हैं. So this duplicated chromosome is not two in number but a single chromosome only. Okay, so reason clear हो गया. So this is also a single chromosome. So इसमें दो chromatids हैं. So ये जो दो chromatids हैं, as you can see here, we term them to be sister chromatids. Okay, sister chromatids. Now, as you can see here, certain stick-like structures are attached to this yellow zone. Okay, so ये yellow zone जो present है centromere में, वो क्या है? वो है एक kinetochore protein complex. Okay, kinetochore protein complex is present where? It is present in the centromere. What is its main role? Spindle fibers बनते हैं during cell cycle and cell division, right? Spindle fibers chromosome के centromeric region के साथ join करते हैं, right? So exactly कहाँ पे join करते हैं? Exactly join करते हैं in the kinetochore region which is present in the centromere. क्लियर बच्चों? तो ऐसे करके हम लोगों ने स्ट्रक्चर तो देख लिया क्रोमोसोम का, राइट? अब आते हैं और एक इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट में जो पूछा जा सकता है, दैट इज आर्म्स। एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पे मैंने बोला है कि ये जो पूरा है, ये वाला पार्ट, ये वाले पार्ट को लेके हम लोग एक सिंगल क्रोमैटिड कंसिडर कर सकते हैं। अब इंडिविजुअली ये एक आर्म है ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम और ये आपका दूसरा आर्म है। तो इस स्ट्रक्चर में बच्चों कितने आर्म्स मेरे पास हो गए इस क्रोमोसोम के पास? देयर विल बी 2 arms. Okay, now these arms are also named that we will study based on their length. Now यहाँ पे अगर 2 आर्म है, यहाँ पे फिर कितना आर्म होगा? यहाँ पे this red one is one chromatid, this red one is another chromatid. So from here what did we learn? That one chromatid means there are 2 arms. So यहाँ पे कितने chromatids हैं? 2 chromatids. मतलब यहाँ पे कितने आपके arms रहेंगे? यहाँ पे there will be 4 arms. This is one arm, this is one arm, this is one arm, and this is another arm. Clear bachcho? So this was about the structure and the parts of the chromosome. Now let's see what are the types of the chromosomes. So this type of the chromosome, when we are classifying something, that must be based on something. कि इसमें ये जो हम लोग अभी सीखेंगे, यहाँ पे it is based on the position of centromere. Okay, यहाँ पे देखिए सेंट्रोमियर है यहाँ पे। अब हम लोग क्या देखेंगे? सेंट्रोमियर का जो पोजीशन है, दैट इज द प्राइमरी कंस्ट्रक्शन का जो पोजीशन है, दैट कैन वेरी. Okay, so that can vary. Based on that we can classify the chromosomes in its different types. First देखिए यहाँ से हम लोग start करेंगे. Here you can see here this is named as metacentric chromosome. Metacentric chromosome में बच्चों क्या होता है? जो centromere है that lies exactly in between. The primary construction lies exactly at between the chromatid. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the exact position. यहाँ पे आपके arms हैं, right? So arms में देखिए यहाँ पे P arm हम लोग देख सकते हैं और Q arm हम लोग देख सकते हैं. तो generally क्या होता है? P arm is the shorter arm, Q arm is the longer one. Okay, but in this case if the centromere lies at the center of the arm, तो obviously P and Q arm will be equal in length. तो ये याद रखना है. अब देखिए जो आपका सेंट्रोमियर का पोजीशन है वो थोड़ा एक तरफ शिफ्ट हो गया है, मेकिंग the definition true for the P and the Q arm. This becomes your P arm. Okay, this is your P arm and this is your Q arm, the longer one. Got it? Then देखिए सेंट्रोमियर और थोड़ा शिफ्ट हो गया है, तब उस क्रोमोसोम को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? तब हम लोग बोलेंगे उसको acrocentric, where the P arm is very short than that of the Q arm. And the last one is the telocentric. When the centromere is terminal, we cannot see the entire chromatid portion is lying on the other side of the centromere. That is telocentric. So this telocentric chromosomes are not found in us. That is humans में नहीं मिलता है, but बाकी मिलता है. So it's not like that कि एक ही क्रोमोसोम में सेंट्रोमियर शिफ्ट हो जा रहा है. No, not at all. Don't get confused. These are different type of chromosomes, individual chromosomes, जिसका हम लोगों ने नेमिंग किया है based on the position of the centromere, and वहां से we get to know that which arm is like the P and the Q based on their length. Got it, bachcho? So this was all about the type of the chromosomes. Okay, so for such interesting and interactive videos, stay tuned in our channel. Okay, so for today, thank you everyone. Take care of yourself. Bye.